In this tutorial, we'll learn how to disable the workbook filter bar in Oracle Fusion Data Intelligence, or FDI. Disabling filter interactions gives workbook authors complete control over what consumers can see and interact with, ensuring clarity and limiting misinterpretation. For example, I've applied a canvas filter in my workbook to show U.S. business unit data only, and I want to prevent workbook consumers from removing or changing this filter to view data from other business units. They will still be able to use the dashboard filter controls for year, quarter, and department name that I've provided for them. I'll start by selecting Preview. This shows me what my consumers can currently see and interact with. I see that consumers can pin, delete, or even change the filter values. To change this, I'll select the Workbook Present tab, and under the Filter Bar section, I will fully disable it. I've chosen the Workbook tab because it controls the interactions for the entire workbook, whereas the Active Canvas tab allows configuring controls for individual canvases. Now when I select Preview, I see that consumers won't see the filter bar at all and will not be able to change it, but they are still able to interact with the previously added dashboard filter controls, as these are separate from the filters in the filter bar. Disabling filter interactions allows authors to control user views and actions, ensuring clarity and reducing misunderstandings. Find additional videos and more information and resources on using Fusion Data Intelligence in the links below.